Hey design friends, you know you need to update your portfolio, but you keep putting it off. You have one, two, or maybe even more design projects that you've completed in the last year or so, but some of your best work is not reflected in your current portfolio. I know, I'm guilty of that too. Someone could be looking at your portfolio right now for a job or client opportunity, but they're not seeing a true representation of your capabilities simply because you didn't update your portfolio. Well, guess what? Now is the time. Join me for a 7-day Behance portfolio challenge. Stop delaying your progress and start taking control of one of the most powerful marketing tools you can ever utilize as a designer, your body of work. Now, if you don't have a Behance account or it's been collecting dust, let's get you started in your profile and roll out your first project. And if your page is already up and running, let's get some new work on display. I'll break down the process into manageable parts, and each day you'll receive a new video prompt to guide you step by step in creating a professional display of your work. Now, we're only focusing on just getting one project up by the end of this challenge. All you need is a completed project to work with. Can you commit just 7 days to your own progress? You owe it to yourself. Sign up, and I'll see you on the other side.